Bridal makeup is one of the most important aspects of a wedding day, as it can enhance the beauty and confidence of the bride. However, for some people, bridal makeup is more than just a cosmetic choice. It is also a way of expressing their true identity and celebrating their femininity. If you are a male who wants to transform into a female for your wedding day, you might be wondering how to achieve a flawless and natural-looking bridal makeup. In this video, we will provide you with some tips and tricks on how to create a stunning male-to-female bridal makeup. Bridal makeup is a special type of makeup that should suit your personality, style, dress, theme, and venue of your wedding. It should also make you feel comfortable, confident, and beautiful. Here are some factors that you should consider when choosing your bridal makeup. Your skin tone is one of the most important factors that determines what colors and shades of makeup will look good on you. Generally speaking, there are three main categories of skin tones: warm, cool, and neutral. Warm skin tones have yellow or golden undertones, cool skin tones have pink or blue undertones, and neutral skin tones have a mix of both. You can find out your skin tone by looking at the veins on your wrist. If they appear green, you have a warm skin tone. If they appear blue or purple, you have a cool skin tone. If they appear neither or both, you have a neutral skin tone. Once you know your skin tone, you can choose makeup colors that complement it. For example, if you have a warm skin tone, you can choose warm colors such as peach, coral, orange, gold, bronze, etc. If you have a cool skin tone, you can choose cool colors such as pink, rose, mauve, silver, plum, etc. If you have a neutral skin tone, you can choose any colors that suit your preference and mood. Your eye color is another factor that influences what colors and shades of eye makeup will look good on you. Generally speaking, there are four main categories of eye colors: brown, blue, green, and hazel. Once you know your eye color, you can choose eye makeup colors that contrast or complement it. For example, if you have brown eyes, you can choose any colors that suit your preference and mood. However, some colors that can make your brown eyes pop are purple, blue, green, gold, etc. If you have blue eyes, you can choose colors that contrast or complement your blue eyes. For example, orange is the opposite color of blue on the color wheel, so it can create a striking contrast with your blue eyes. Alternatively, you can choose colors that are similar to blue such as silver or gray to create a harmonious look with your blue eyes. If you have green eyes, you can choose colors that contrast or complement your green eyes. For example, red is the opposite color of green on the color wheel, so it can create a dramatic contrast with your green eyes. Alternatively, you can choose colors that are similar to green such as olive or khaki to create a natural look with your green eyes. If you have hazel eyes, you can choose colors that contrast or complement your hazel eyes. For example, purple is the opposite color of hazel on the color wheel, so it can create a stunning contrast with your hazel eyes. Alternatively, you can choose colors that are similar to hazel such as brown or gold to create a warm and cozy look with your hazel eyes. Your hair color is another factor that affects what colors and shades of makeup will look good on you. Generally speaking, there are four main categories of hair colors: blonde, brunette, redhead, and black. Once you know your hair color, you can choose makeup colors that match or contrast it. For example, if you have blonde hair, you can choose light and soft colors such as pink, peach, beige, champagne, etc. You can also choose dark and bold colors such as red, purple, navy, etc. to create a dramatic contrast with your blonde hair. If you have brunette hair, you can choose rich and warm colors such as brown, gold, bronze, copper, etc. You can also choose cool and bright colors such as blue, green, silver, etc. to create a fresh and vibrant contrast with your brunette hair. If you have redhead hair, you can choose earthy and natural colors such as green, olive, khaki, etc. You can also choose fiery and passionate colors such as red, orange, coral, etc. to create a harmonious and flattering look with your redhead hair. If you have black hair, you can choose any colors that suit your preference and mood. However, some colors that can make your black hair stand out are white, gray, pink, etc. Your dress is another factor that influences what colors and styles of makeup will look good on you. Your dress should reflect your personality, style, theme, and venue of your wedding. It should also complement your skin tone, eye color, and hair color. Once you know your dress color and style, you can choose makeup colors and styles that match or contrast it. For example, if you have a white dress, you can choose any colors that suit your preference and mood. However, some colors that can make your white dress pop are red, pink, purple, etc. If you have a cream or ivory dress, you can choose warm and soft colors such as peach, coral, gold, etc. You can also choose cool and bright colors such as blue, green, silver, etc. to create a striking contrast with your cream or ivory dress. If you have a colored dress, you can choose colors that are similar or complementary to your dress color. For example, if you have a pink dress, you can choose pink or purple shades for your makeup. Alternatively, you can choose green or yellow shades for your makeup to create a contrasting look with your pink dress. Your theme and venue are another factor that affects what colors and styles of makeup will look good on you. Your theme and venue should reflect your personality, style, vision, and season of your wedding. They should also complement your dress color and style. Once you know your theme and venue of your wedding, you can choose makeup colors and styles that match or contrast them. For example, if you have a romantic theme and a garden venue for your wedding, you can choose soft and floral colors such as pink, peach, rose, etc. You can also choose natural and fresh styles such as dewy skin, glossy lips, and subtle eyes. If you have a glamorous theme and a hotel venue for your wedding, you can choose bold and sparkly colors such as red, purple, gold, etc. You can also choose dramatic and sophisticated styles such as matte skin, velvet lips, and smoky eyes. Male to female bridal makeup is not only a way of enhancing your beauty and confidence on your wedding day, but also a way of expressing your true identity and celebrating your femininity. By following the steps and tips we have shared in this video, you can achieve a flawless and natural-looking bridal makeup that suits your personality, style, dress, theme, and venue of your wedding. We hope you enjoyed watching this video and learned something new and useful. We wish you all the best for your wedding day and your future. Remember, you are beautiful, inside and out.
We hope you found the information helpful. We know that being transgender can be a difficult journey, and we want to do our part to make it a little bit easier. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel. It would mean the world to us. You can also support our work by joining our membership. This will help us continue to create content that is helpful and supportive for the community. Thank you again for watching, and we hope to see you next time.